Taliwas sa naunang abiso, kinumpirma ng Government Peace Panel na hindi malalagdaan sa Disyembre ang bilateral ceasefire agreement sa pagitan ng pamahalaan at ng CPP, NPA, NDF. Ayon sa pamahalaan, hindi lalagda sa kasunduan ang makakaliwang grupo hanggat hindi napapalaya ang mga political prisoner. May ulat si George Bandola.
Kinumpirma na ng GPH na walang magaganap na pirmahan sa pagitan ng pamahalaan at ng CPP, NPA, NDF sa susunod na buwan. Ayon kay Attorney Angela Librado, GPH Negotiating Panel Member, marami pa kasing dapat ayusin ng pamahalaan para mapapayag ang kabilang panig na pumirma sa bilateral ceasefire agreement. Kabilang na dito ang isang presidential decree na magtatakda ng isang komite para sa pagpapalaya ng mga political prisoners. Nauna nang inihayag ni GPH Panel Chair Silvestre Belle III na sa December 10 posibleng mapirmahan ang bilateral ceasefire agreement, subalit giit ng mga kaliwang grupo hanggat hindi napapalaya ang mga political prisoners, hindi sila lalagda.
The guidelines that we have formulated will be signed anytime soon. No? So we're hoping that releases could be had based on our joint Oslo statements because the government, the GRP panel had a commitment to cause the release of prisoners. Although these are two different things, no?
Paliwanag ni Librado, may mga teknikalidad kasi na dapat munang ayusin ng pamahalaan lalo na sa sektor ng hudikatura kung dapat bang palayain na ang mga political prisoners, lalo pat nasa kanilang poder na ang kinakaharap na kaso ng mga ito.
Meron na tayong na-prepare, no? In fact, there are exchanges that have been made even during the last Oslo meeting. But then, marami pang revisions that are there things that have to be ironed out.
Like what?
Definitions of what would constitute hostile acts, no? Because both parties have different definitions and we have to reconcile that. Otherwise, we will not be able to come up with a bilateral agreement.
Magkakaroon pa ng isang pagpupulong sa Enero para plantsahin pa ang di pagkakasunduan ng dalawang panig.
But since it has not been discussed during the time that we met in Oslo last October, and it might be brought up during our next talks, then it could, but I cannot say that with definiteness. The formulation of a guideline, no? This is the PCBREP, this is the Presidential Committee on Bail, Release, Recognizance, and Pardon. So, we are on our way to having this signed, and once this is signed, then releases could be processed.
Mula sa Davao City, para sa PTV News, George Bandola.